Which one of the following dynasty was ruling over North India at the time of Alexander invasion? Nanda. Which one of the following ruler Magad was contemporary to Alexander the Great? Dhananand. After compar- after com- campaigning after campaigning for nearly 2 years, Alexander the Great left India in 325 BC. He was not defeated by Chandragupta Maurya. Women of which Indian republic or kingdom had taken up arms against Alexander after a large number of its soldiers had been killed or wounded in battlefield? Masaga. Alexander's source in India was due to following reason. There was no central power in India. He had superior army. He was helped by the traitorous Indian ruler. Name the brave Indian king who Alexander defeated on the bank of river Jhelum. Porus. Who one of the who one of the following had not come to India with Alexander? Damocus. Maurya Empire. First Indian empire was established by Chandragupta Maurya. First empire established by Chandragupta Maurya. India oldest dynasty Maurya. Founder of Maurya Chandragupta Maurya. Chandragupta Maurya figure prominently in book of Visakha Datta. Sandokotas by Justin, the Greek writer Chandragupta Maurya. Who recognized Sandokotas as Chandragupta Maurya? William Jones. Sandokotas Chandragupta made up with Alexander the Great. Justin. Kautilya was the prime minister of Chandragupta Maurya. Chanakya known in his childhood name Vishnugupta. Another name of Chanakya, Vishnugupta. Kautilya Arthashastra is a book of treatise on polity during the Mauryan monarch. Arthashastra of Kautilya is a book on principle of government. Seventh part of the state according to Saptang theory of state Mitra. Kautilya Arthashastra deal with the aspect of political policies. Kautilya Arthashastra, which of the following a person could be slave as a result of a judicial punishment? A female slave bore her master a son and she was legally free. Completely compared to the prince of Machiavelli. Kautilya Arthashastra. Democracy scheme in India during the reign of Bindusar. Ashoka owned Avanti Mahajanpad and merged in Maurya Empire during Bindusar ruled. What text does it refer to? Samant Pasadika of Buddha Ghosh. Chandragupta place situated at Patliputra is mainly made up of woods. Remains of which ancient city have been found at Kumrar site, Patliputra. Bulandi Bagh was ancient site of Patliputra. Who amongst the following Maurya ruler did conquer the Deccan? Chandragupta. Which ancient city was named Palivrota in the Greek text? Patliputra. First king to conquer Malwa, Gujarat and Maharashtra, Chandragupta Maurya. Not associated with Chandragupta Maurya, Sanchi. Inscription which proves Chandragupta sway over western India. Junagadh inscription of Rodar Daman. That Gujarat was included in the kingdom of Chandragupta Maurya is proved by Junagadh inscription, Rodar Daman. Which Indian king defeated Seleucus? Chandragupta. Chandragupta Maurya was defeated Seleucus in 305. Who constructed Sudarshan Lake? Chandragupta Maurya. Ashoka towards the close of his reign. who established Rajadharma on triplex ways of longanimity, liberty, and compassion. Asoka. Definition of Dhamma given by Asok has been taken from the Rahulobad Sutra. Was not part of Asoka Empire, Sri Lanka. Inscription of Asoka mention has been made of South Indian Kingdom. Second Major Rock Edict. 14 Major Rock Edict of Asok. Major Rock Edict 2. Presence of Pandya, Satyaputta, Keralaputta and Chola Kingdom of South. India's first hospital and herbal garden were built by Asoka. In spite of being Buddhist, Asoka did not leave belief in Hinduism. Validation of this fact is epithet of Devanpiriyam. Which of the following source mention the occurrence of third Buddhist council during the reign of Asoka? Devamsa or Mahavamsa. Buddhist council during reign of Asoka was held at Patliputra. Following Mauryan were followers of Buddhism: Asoka or Dashrath. Rajuka were officer in the Mauryan administration. In Mauryan administration system, department in term of Pradesh associated Pradesh Justice Department. Sartva convoy of merchant. Official was not part of the Mauryan administration. Agraharika. Yukta Rajuka और परदेसी का है. Asoka inscription suggested the Pardesika, Rajuka, Yukta were important district level administration. Sarnath pillar built by Asoka. Best stupa Sanchi. Ruler constructed Sanchi stupa Asok. Sanchi stupa Asok. World famous tourist destination of Sanchi Kaknam. Stupa of Bharuch is a fine example of Songa architecture. Stupa gateway depicts the pilgrimage to Bodhi tree by Asoka with his two queens, Sanchi. Kausambi Goshistrama Monastery, Kushinagar, Ranabhar Stupa, Sarnath, Damek Stupa, Saraswati, Sahet Mahet. In course of pilgrimage, Emperor Asok visited the following place: Lumbini, Kapilvastu, Gaya, Sarnath, Kushinagar, Sarvasti. Language used in inscription of Asok is Prakrit. Most of the inscriptions are Prakrit in language and Brahmi script. Inscription founded in Mansehra and Sahabazgarhi are in Prakrit language and Kharosti script. Script written on Asoka's pillar is Brahmi. Asoka inscription is in Kharosti script. Sahabazgarhi. Earliest inscription on a stone was in which language? Prakrit. Brahmi script was first deciphered by the later inscribed on stone table. First scholar who read Asoka edicts is James Prinsep. Asoka inscription were first deciphered by James Prinsep. First deciphered by Brahmi script, James Prinsep. First British to study Asoka edict, James Prinsep. First decipher, James Prinsep. Northwestern part of the Maurya Empire near Peshawar were in Kharosti script. Pre-Asokan Brahmi script was founded at Anuradhapura. Written from left to right, Kharosti. Ancient written left to right, Kharosti. Name of Asoka. Name of Asoka Priyadarshi. Generally referred in his inscription Priyadarshi. Priyadarshi or Devan Priyam Asoka. Statement regarding Asoka stone pillar is incorrect. Part of architectural structure. Highly polished monolithic shaft of pillar is tapering in shape. Rhino Asoka mentioned in Kangan Hali. Mention personal name of Asoka Maski. Name of Asoka has been mentioned in Minor Edict Rock Edict Maski. Name of Asoka Bujara inscription में. Rumenedi pillar of Asoka put up to mark of birth of Buddha. Gurjara minor rock edict Datia district of MP. Only pillar on which Asoka declares himself as emperor of Magad. Babru pillar. Kalsi is famous for rock edict of Asoka. Where in Uttarakhand was a copy of Emperor Asoka rock edict discovered? Kalsi. Dolly in Odisha, Iragudi in Andhra Pradesh, Jagura in Odisha, Kalsi in Uttarakhand. Rock edict of Asoka speaks religious emphasis. Rock edict 12. Asoka rock edict describes the victory and injuries of Kalinga war. Rock edict 13. In which inscription Kalinga victory is mentioned? Rock edict 13 में. Kalinga war rock edict 13. Principle of religious tolerance completely rock edict 12. Ruler advised in his through this inscription, whosoever praises his religious sect blame other sect excessive devotion on his own sect with the view of glorifying his own sect, he rather injures his own sect very severely. Asoka. All our people should create the good deeds free from all disaster, enjoy the way with mind unpolluted with jealousy. Asoka. Sangam kingdom include rock edict 2 or 13. South kingdom is not mentioned in Asoka inscription. Satvahana. Ptolemy Philadelphus, who had diplomatic relation with Asoka, was king of Egypt. Turamaya, a contemporary of Asoka, was the ruler of Egypt. Ruler of which dynasty diplomatic relation with distant country like Syria and Egypt. Maurya. Central point of Asoka Dhamma is policy of peace and non-violence and religious tolerance. Which of the following inscription of Asoka bans animal sacrifice on certain festive gathering that probably include a ban on animal killing as well? Pillar Edict 5. Which one of the following ancient Indian record is earliest royal order to preserve food grains to be utilized during the crisis in the country? Sahagora copper plate. Asoka annexed Kalinga to Maurya Empire. Kalinga controlled the land and sea route to the South India. Maurya king did not bestow land grant to religious basis. Famous Greek ambassador Megasthenes came to the Chandragupta Maurya. Megasthenes, ambassador of Seleucus. During whose rule did Megasthenes came Chandragupta Maurya? Megasthenes divided the Indian society in 7. Division of Maurya society into 7 classes in Indica of Megasthenes. There was no slavery in ancient India. Megasthenes Indica. Division of the Maurya society into 7 classes. Megasthenes Indica. 2 type of philosopher, Brahmin and Sramanas. Megasthenes. In the Maurya period, tax evasion was punished with the death. Description of administration of Patliputra is available in Indica. See detailed account of city administration of Maurya. Megasthenes indica. Megasthenes book name Indica. Indica was Megasthenes, author of Indica Megasthenes, Indica Megasthenes. Present municipal administration has been continuous from time of Maurya period. Registration of birth and death. Which of the following administrative structure in ascending order is correct? समग्रहाना, कारबाटिका, द्रोणामुख और स्थानिया. Correct about Maurya king. Culture, art, architecture, provincial division, kingship to Hindu Kush. Bagha or Bali, source of revenue. Land revenue, which was the chief source of income during Maurya period, was collected by Sita Daksha. Sita in Mauryan period means revenue from crown land. Which tax was levied on posture? Bibit. Who of the following was associated with the collection of revenue in Mauryan Samharta? Collection of revenue in Mauryan Mantri Parishad Samharta. Mauryan officer was in charge of weight and measure. Portavadyaksha. Official agronomy during Mauryan age was related to construction of road. Pankodakshana Nirodh was penalty in Mauryan administration charged for slushing the road. Talar officer of night guard. Pattakola village tax collector. Sahasidhipatti officer of case of Dakaiti. Baladeep god of Octroi. Most famous center of learning during Maurya period was Takshila. According to Arthashastra of Kautilya, following court existed in judicial system of Maurya. Dharmasthiya and Kantakosodhana, which reference cultural history of India. The memorizing of chronicle, dynasty history and epic tales was the profession. Magad. System governing village through autonomous elected panchayat was evolved by Dravids. Which one of the following text in ancient India allows divorce or to a wife deserted by her husband? Arthashastra. Prohibit remarriage. Manu Smriti. Social status assigned to the foreigner in India society by Manu was of the fallen Kshatriya. Person came to India at one time or another. Fahen during Chandragupta to Vikramaditya. Humayun visited Harshvardhan. While E.T. Sang, Chinese traveler, came in India 6th-7th century. पहले मेगास्थनीज, फिर फाहेन, फिर ह्युनत्सांग, फिर ईतिसांग. Chandragupta Maurya, Sandokottas. Ashoka mentioned Piyadasi. Vishnugupta, another name Chanakya, Prime Minister of Chandragupta Maurya. Chola Gangam Lake, Rajendra I appointed Dharm Mahamatra Ashoka. Assembly at Prayag, Harshvardhan. Sudarshan Lake, Chandragupta. Last Mauryan emperor was Brihadrath. Last Mauryan Brihadrath assassinated by his commander-in-chief Pushmitra Shunga. Last Shunga king Devbhuti was assassinated by Brahmin minister Vasudev Kanva. After the throne, last ruler of Kanva dynasty deposed by Andhra. Maurya period pranayam was emergency tax. Who among the following rulers laid attention to the resource management in Girnar? Chandragupta or Ashok? Realizing the need for water, first ruler who got lake construction in Girnar area, Chandragupta Maurya. Chandragupta and Ashok both. Junagadh inscription of Mahakshatrapa Rudradaman. Ashok edicts are also found in Junagadh inscription of Mahakshatrapa Rudradaman. Not true about this inscription date back in 6th century. Barabar Hills cave. In all four caves on the Barabar Hills, inscription of Ashok were found on wall of three cave. Inscription inform about dedication of these caves to Ajebika. Among the modern idols, idol inscribed with the name of Manibhadra Yaksha was found from which place? Prakham. Lothal, ancient dockyard, Sarnath, first settlement, Rajgir, lion capital of Ashoka, राजगीर नहीं, सारनाथ. Nalanda, great seat of Buddhist learning. Ancient India play Mudra Rakshak of Visakha Datta was the court poet interviewed at the time of Chandragupta Maurya.